Greetings, everyone. This will be the third video, Python and Google Colab. Here we will load the data, inspect it, clean it, and save it. We have 6 commands that cover 90% of what we need to do. Read CSV. This is loads your data set from a file or URL. Head. This previews the first rows. Shape. This count the rows and columns. Dot is null. Dot sum. This counts the missing values in every column. Describe. This gets different statistics, the min, max, mean, and outliers. And dot value counts. This count unique values that helps you spot inconsistencies. Step 1, you load your data and take the first look. Step 2, you find the problems hiding in your data. Data that looks clean is not always trustworthy. These 3 commands reveal what is really there. For missing values, we use isNull.sum. To spot some outliers, we use .describe. And to find inconsistencies, we use .valueCounts. For step 3, we fix what we can and document what we can't. One thing to note, perfection is the enemy of a working prototype. Clean enough for your question is all you need. Know what every column contains, fix what you can, write down what you couldn't fix and why. And then step 4, once you're finished cleaning it, make sure and save it. With this, we don't need to clean it again. Once we save it, we'll be able to download and then upload it to our Google Drive data folder. Just to reiterate, these are the 6 commands that we need to use. And one thing to note, a gap you cannot fix is not a failure. You document it and make sure it is there in your submission. And here, a prompt for your troubles. You can use this to copy and paste into the Gemini feature that Google Colab has for it. I'll just do a quick demonstration. This would have been a notebook that I went through. Here you can see I use read CSV. I use the head is null sum, describe, value counts, and then some more. If you want, you could use Gemini feature, copy and paste this. In here. And that will be the end of the video.